channel. I'm right for the channel, you see me? Jamaica yard life.
I tell you, man. That's why I'm here up and do look something. You see me? That is it. Greetings, guys. I'm up and about today and we start from here, so. Yeah, man. Originally we come in on, what do I say, Mondays, is it? Early as possible. Trouble there, yeah, people left on my mind. Boy gone over next door. Yeah, man, you know it's something.
Them a beard, you know if you beard a morning time you wake up the truth.
Yeah, man, all out of beard from morning run go hola.
Not too nasty. So you chop them after beard, so you chop them a beard first.
That is it, that is it.
Make money.
That is it. Yeah, man, open active, guys. This is yard as is, no preservative, no additive. Yeah, man. As me said, as Chubby said, yeah, man, we there clean up the machine them and you know it's something go a little bit from this, we'll take on the road. Yeah, man. Open active. The day just began. Digital. JBigs. 1 JBigs, you know it's something go. Active, bro. So up and about and we're there, yeah, there. Chubby truck starter give some trouble, so we have the mechanic check in at the moment. I'm gonna show you all what's popping. Stick around. This is yard. Yeah, which is I guess I brush there.
Yeah, no, brush part on this.
Okay. This is a part of gear.
Gear section.
That is it, man.
You can clutch this and I pull out this to get your clutch, get out the clutch.
Which is free more part.
No man, if you buy one.
If you drop it in back?
Yeah.
My. So not that one that done completely.
Yeah man.
So you go, yeah.
Pull them right now and move it to it, yeah.
Yeah man. That is it, guys. Around this where we come from, you know, right now look at crevice there. Yeah. You know something go? That day I working magic. Yeah man, take on ton fashion, guys. You want it? You want it? Alright. And I feel dirty.
I'm not today. Driver.
I drive when the time is when you have half it dirty up. The machine I fix. Yeah. Yeah, which is right. Yeah. I know. Actually, you didn't expect so much work this morning.
No, I expect the looks are good. I'm probably have to get dirty still, but I want to change the shirt in there.
Yeah.
I want to change the shirt in there.
Alright, yeah.
Flat screwdriver one, pick out the key.
Little flat screwdriver.
Flat end.
A little bean one, yeah.
Flat fine screwdriver at the bar.
So it's small enough, but I can't.
Yeah. Yeah guys, I'm there. Sit down on the engine bay, I'd say. Yeah man. The other day I do up the mats, you know. See start around on the wheel there. Most naturally, you know where something go. There I try. Sort out the whole faithful. That is it. Come on yard man, we're open active today. And I put in the work as usual. It's a blessing. For cool and that now man. There's an engine oil go, you see it? This engine oil dipstick. Okay, so cool on it. No pull it, no pull it. That's the. Make sure you lock proper, you know. Yeah, maybe you have to make sure you lock proper. Radiator, that's alright, man. That is it. Yeah, lift it up. Remember, I wait out, you have to remember that, you know. Yeah, I show you there for hold it. Because while I go, I give my lick, you see. Yeah, you have to always remember that. So the weight it. You see rag, watch me. Lift it up back. That's the trick with the work, you know. You see when you do the work, you have to pay attention. Take out the rag. You have to make sure you pay attention. You will lock down tool in there, all type of something. You see it? So you look good before you lock him. Take time, come down, see. That is it, boy. Yeah. See how it's still I drop it down. Hey guys, so Chubby still there work on the machine, you know. Pull up, this is our inside, look. This?
So the clutch here.
Same bug, yeah. So buy it. Oops.
So for your step strong, man.
Me I tell them what I was saying, so loose. They look same firm.
It's supposed to be like that. Yes,
Yeah, I look up in there, hold it. It's fun till we carry a few blocks. Man. But you know where the energy go? No only for chit chatting today, we have to up and active. You guys them there up a corner few. Already, you know it's something go come a yard, man. One look. Stop by Rasta, yeah? Yeah, man. Church can jump round on the back there. Yeah, man. You know where something go? Rasta there, do they do? And we stop to get breakfast this morning. Yeah, man. Active, you know? That is it. So them boy run a corner and feed off them face, you know, for their style already. That is it. That is it. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, man. We're up and active, guys, and we are chow down. As it. Well, at the moment, we not move yet. We are eat food and then we go up on the road. But for now, this is it.
Yo,
yeah, guys, today is a little bit more hectic than the average. Yeah, man, we open about over there, yeah, with the whole family. As usual, them they make a organized nice place. But no place like that, man. Once more, yeah man, you know the energy go. Make sure I'm going to top up the tank, yeah. Yeah man, Damien can pay for the gas for me. So far, yeah man, bro, they not give me a strength. You know the energy go. No place like yard. Yeah man, this is a site that I always wanted to see from day one. From come work, you know the energy go. I love when the place clean and proper. And the Chinese them up and active today. Yeah man, my boy they are clean up, you know. Hey. Rinse him off, clean the bar. That is it. Yeah man, Jamaica yard life with their yard the same way. We stop by Frankie. If you have a few jelly if you drink, you know where something go. So once in a Marine Bay, you can stop by Chung Sam hardware. Yeah man. If I don't know if I get it right. You know where something go, guys.
Jelly.
Yeah man, jelly for days. That is it. No place like yard, man. So we just there and wait for it. See if we can get an ex-customer. Yeah man. No place like yard, as I said from before, guys. We're up and active. Come along for the journey. Yeah.
I'm safe, free, man. Yeah.
Long time, you plan to give her one man, but
long time, man.
Agree to chop that. Agree to chop. Yeah. Now chop that, agree to chop. Yeah, we got around about this, everybody work now. The
sweetest thing that right now, we can tell you. Sweet like sugar.
I make sure I feel it good
Yeah man, so there guys, and Frankie ropes up a pint for short, man, you know. You know it's something good. That is it, man. You see how fast Frankie can shell down this idea. Play with the general, you know. Once you come out, you can get a well cold jelly. Yeah man, you can get your pint as well. No man, don't do that man. The rest of the easy. That's simple. Blessings guys, we're up and active, you know. Yeah man, giving thanks to life as usual. Y'all know my energy. Yeah man, they're just a chuckle. As I'd say. Yeah man, and Frankie I do the right thing. As is, this is yard. No preservative, no additive. Yeah, man.
Yes, Father God, man. Don't have to come and see and go put on go. Finish up the episode.
Yeah, man. A short man that night background, guys. No energy go. It's a man ever active, you know.
I cut your finger, yeah, man.
The man not cut him. If he not cut him finger already, now cut again.
We can't eat fresh man.
You next life answer, Rasta?
Right there.
Look on my front door, that's it. Front neck, the door.
You can't tell me you really want to do that sugar loaf.
That is it, bro.
And they want sugar loaf, though?
Yeah.
Why the difference between sugar loaf and other ones?
The sugar loaf more sweet, I'd say.
Gosh, it now done.
I shape
Now, man, too
different.
much maca upon it.
All
You
long.
just got two, you just got two, though.
No.
No. It's long and it's fatter. And you
You
can
see
get.
other one?
You can
The other
get.
one scratch too much
sweeter.
throat that.
Cowboy,
A cowboy, yeah.
Yeah.
How much you want, Frankie?
Yeah, 50.
A fifth. The machine. Rasta have the machine run.
You can't tell me you really want
Rasta, make him cut this and you get by the machine. Because you not go down that till he.
Anyway, me have shoot that.
$50 one that.
No. Chop it up there so we can take it. Up there, up there.
Yo, come on, Samayo. Come to tell man.
Bong, go dread. You want that active man?
Yeah, that's just that. Nice.
Proper machine.
That be easy.
Proper
Yeah,
machine.
go pull it close to the like this. Yeah, easy, bro, man.
Yeah, man, bad bro.
Oh, yeah,
I
that
show it,
clean up,
man.
fuck, that phone if I work,
Back
dog,
it.
I work. I bro,
Remember the machine, man.
Greetings, guys. I want to say thanks for watching. If you watched the video to this far, remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Trust me, it really does help. One love, one heart. You know the energy go. Stay safe.